Hi Aquarius, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and let's do your love bite now. Aquarius, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Do keep that in mind. Take what works for you, leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Aquarius and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Aquarius, let's begin. Let's begin your reading and see what's in store for you. And welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. And if you're new here, Aquarius, we welcome you in as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. So the cards I have on the table, Aquarius, is the Fool, Justice, Page of Cups, Three of Wands, King of Swords, center of my spread, Five of Swords, Page of Pentacles, Nine of Pentacles, and the Moon card. And bottom of my deck, I see the Queen of Swords. Oh my God, is that a battle or is it? Queen of Pentacles, King of Pentacles, and the Justice card. All right, so I'm going to put this here. Somebody definitely wants to have now this clear communication about the future, maybe. It's almost like a battle going on here, Aquarius. I'm going to start with some dialogue message cards before I clarify these cards, Aquarius. And let's see if you guys could say something which you desperately, I think, want to. Both of you have swords in your hands right now. Let's see what's in your heart. What you would really say if you could. Aquarius and their person, Spirit. Aquarius and their person. Aquarius and their person, Spirit. All right. And I'm going to take a couple from here. Messages from the heart. Two together. All right, we'll take them and we're good to go now. Let's begin your reading, Aquarius. The first card here says, I'm an understanding person and I appreciate that although we are eternally connected, we need our own space. I can't understand why you're not able to communicate that you simply need some time to process things. Instead, you ignore me, knowing that it hurts me more and more every time. You were always my desire, the love of my life, but I didn't tell you. It shocked the hell out of me when you told me you felt the same way, as I never expected that. You're all I want, but I just don't feel good enough for you. My mind is racing and my heart is breaking with the doubts and insecurities your inconsistent behavior has created. I crave inner peace right now. My soul just feels so unsettled. I'm a passionate sexual creature in my prime, but thanks to your continual running, I've been left here burning up with fire. I can't even talk with anyone else without your sexual energy being all over me. If you want me, come and take me. You're the owner of my heart, my feelings, my soul, and my body. I belong to you and we are one. I love you. My friends keep telling me I made a big mistake in letting you go. I want to fix things between us. I just don't know how to make things right at this time. Yeah, somebody feels they made a very, very foolish mistake here. Your soul is always with me and mine is guiding you. We are always together in spirit, even though physically we may be apart. You're never alone because I'm your shadow. When you cry, I embrace you in spirit. When you're sad, I will help remind you to smile. I'm always there with you, even when you don't see me. I haven't been happy for a long time. Our relationship has now suffered irreparable damage. You're holding us back because of your own self-worth issues and inability to forgive yourself. I've forgiven you. Would you just forgive yourself already? Let's live our life together free from the past. No one is perfect. Okay, so Aquarius, if these are resonating with your story, let's start clarifying these cards. But before that, I am going to start with an angel blessing card. See how my angels are going to bless this reading with a blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for you. Blessing, guidance, advice, or a message. My angels for Aquarius. Oops, oops, oops. Too many. I'll just take this one, which came in the upright. It says play music. I think there's too much of fire here. All of you picking up your swords, and then I have the 5 of swords. I think it's time to take a little bit of a chill pill, Aquarius. Take a step back, ease your mind out with some music, or maybe sometimes, this is how I use music. Sometimes when I have a question in my heart, when I really, really want to know the answer to something, I play some music and I ask my angels for guidance. Normally in the first 3 songs, I'll either get a message from the person concerned or directly from my angels giving me an solution to my problem. Okay, so music is going to be very helpful for you to keep things calm and happy here. So let's start with the cards. What's this Fool card, Spirit? In reverse. Fool card in reverse. Fool card in reverse. Justice, justice. I have 2 cards with justice here. What is this justice card, Spirit? Oh. Somebody wants to bring back justice to a relationship because maybe they feel they broke somebody's heart, or they're feeling heartbroken because of some foolish decisions that have been made here. Somebody wants to now apologize because they feel they're losing their soulmate. This connection is in jeopardy. It came out crossed. Normally I don't take crossed cards, but I'm going to put it back actually. So Spirit, what's this justice card? And this Page of Cups. Yeah, there's a lot of heartbreak here on my table here. Somebody feels they want to bring back balance, justice, because now again, soulmate connection is back here, even though I put it back. But this is now totally reversed, right? And I was suspecting that earlier. That's why I put it back. Somebody feels that some bad memories have been now created in this connection. Some hearts have been broken here. And they feel they made some foolish decisions, foolish choices, which has led to the stagnancy of this connection. So Page of Cups, Spirit. Page of Cups. Somebody has been in hermit mode, thinking, trying to understand what went wrong. Now they're realizing that they are feeling so abandoned, left out in the cold. They know that their feminine, I think, doesn't want to have anything to do with them, is probably upset and angry, doesn't want to grow with them anymore. They do want to end this fight. I think there has been a lot of rash behavior here. Maybe some words were exchanged or there was a fight. Somebody really wants this fight to end because they know that they're losing a very special person in their life, because maybe there was some toxic behavior that went on here, Aquarius. 3 of Wands, Spirit. 3 of Wands. Yeah, somebody is now looking into the future. They're looking into the future and thinking, I've made a mistake here. I've made a foolish mistake here. I want to have a rebirth of this connection. They want to talk. King of Swords. Yes, they want to talk about how much they still care. They want to show this. Oh, but the problem here is this person doesn't know how to show their emotions. They are a bit either unemotional, or they try and hide their feelings, or they try and manipulate their person. They always have, by keeping secrets or hiding their emotions, not being able to apologize. Heart of hearts, I think they're worried. Yes, they're just a bit immature here. Or maybe they fear what people are going to say. I don't know. Even though this person is worried, does want to bring in that apology, is worried about their future, does want a rebirth, do want to communicate, but they are still unable to come forth, show their emotions, still hiding, still fearful, still scared of even saying sorry here. So they come across as the Five of Swords. They always come up with a fight or try and show their person that I'm better, bigger, or I'm the boss, or it's my way or the highway, which really doesn't work because it always brings a stagnancy to this connection. Five of Swords, Spirit? Yes, they feel that's the way they've been taught, maybe, or that's the way they're supposed to behave. I'm never supposed to offer anything. I must keep my arms folded here, and it's this is that greedy person who says, as long as I get what I want. Okay, so this person has a little bit of trouble in showing emotions, I think. Five of Swords, one more, Spirit. Five of Swords. Yes, they always want to be seen as the boss, the emperor, the one in control, but they're doing it in a very wrong way here. Heart of hearts, this person actually wants to do the right thing. They want to take back control of their relationship. They do want to bring back balance, bring back justice, but they're doing it in a place of fear more than anything else. Page of Pentacles, Spirit. Page of Pentacles. Yes, now because of this kind of behavior, I think they've lost the love of the person who really did love them a lot. But now this feminine is now drained out of all her love and has brought like a halt to this connection, saying, hey, I've given every drop in that cup to you. I have nothing else left to give you. A connection is where I fill your cup and you fill mine. If I keep filling your cup all the time, I'm depleted. So I'd rather be single and happy and abundant and fill my own cup here. Nine of Pentacles, Spirit. Nine of Pentacles. Nine of Pentacles. Yes, this feminine feels that this connection is always in turbulent, there's too much fighting, there's too much conflict, and I would rather have a fresh new beginning or a passionate new start somewhere else, instead of going back to a place where again I'm going to face the same kind of mind games or fighting or I'm the boss kind of situation. So I don't think you guys are really opening up with each other right now. The Moon, Spirit. Yes, somebody is very emotionally overwhelmed, feels that their partner is a promise breaker, feels that there's too much of things that too hidden and too secretive, and that open happy relationship is not there. The partner never comes to them with open emotions and always kind of breaks promises and never does what they say. So these are complaints from the feminine who's ready to walk away now. This feminine has now also picked up her sword to say, hey, I'm cutting off anything that doesn't work for me. I can't, I'm no longer the Queen of Cups. I'm going to also be now the Queen of Swords, who can, take care of themselves, matching this King of Swords. All right, so that's all I have for you, Aquarius. Let me know if this resonated. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.